are 5 powerful psychology tricks that can make anyone admire and respect you without even realizing why. Subscribe the Attract Mind YouTube channel and press the turn on notification to next videos. So let's get started. These techniques are used by top negotiators, leaders, and influencers. Yet most people have no clue they exist. Today, I'm going to break them down for you. These aren't just ordinary tips. They're based on deep psychological principles that work on anyone, regardless of their background or status. When you understand and apply these methods correctly, people will naturally gravitate toward you, respect your presence, and even seek your approval. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end, because a 4th trick will change the way people see you forever. Trick number 1, the echo effect. Ever met someone who instantly made you feel understood? It wasn't luck, it was psychology. People crave connection, and the fastest way to build it is by subtly mirroring their words and phrases. How it works: when someone hears their own words echoed back to them, their brain subconsciously thinks, "This person understands me. I like them. They just get me." This builds trust and connection, even if you just met. Example: imagine you're in a job interview and the interviewer says, "We're looking for someone who takes initiative and thinks outside the box." Most people would reply with something generic like, "Yes, I'm a hard worker, boring." A better response? "I completely agree. Taking initiative and thinking outside the box is something I truly believe in." This small shift makes the interviewer feel like you already align with their vision, making you instantly more likable and memorable. Trick number 2, the 2-second rule. Most people rush to answer questions, trying to impress others. But confident people, they take their time. How it works: before responding to a question, pause for 2 seconds. Just 2 seconds. It might seem small, but this simple change completely shifts the energy of the conversation. It signals thoughtfulness and confidence. The brief silence creates natural tension, making people lean in and pay attention. Example: if someone asks, "So what do you do for a living?" Instead of rushing to answer, pause, hold eye contact, and then say, "I build things that change lives." Now they're curious. They want to know more. This technique is used by CEOs, public speakers, and top negotiators to command respect and attention effortlessly. Trick number 3, the unfinished sentence trap. Ever noticed how some speakers keep people hanging on their every word? They do it by leaving gaps on purpose. How it works: when you intentionally stop before finishing a thought, people's brains automatically try to fill in the missing piece. This conjugation keeps them hooked on your words. Example: if someone asks, "Why do most people fail in life?" Instead of giving a direct answer, say, "Well, it's not really about failure. It's about something much worse, actually." Then pause. Their curiosity spikes. They need you to know what you mean. They lean in, waiting for you to continue. This technique is widely used in storytelling, marketing, and public speaking to hold attention effortlessly. Trick number 4, the 1-word power move. Ever had someone challenge or mock you? Most people get defensive, but truly confident people, they know a simple 1-word trick that flips the power dynamic instantly. How it works: instead of arguing or reacting emotionally, respond with just 1 word. Example: someone sarcastically says, "Oh, so you think you're some kind of expert?" Most people would argue or get embarrassed, but instead you simply raise an eyebrow and say, "Really?" Now they're scrambling to justify themselves. The second you say it, the pressure shifts to them. This technique is a power move used in debates, leadership, and high-pressure situations to stay in control without conflict. Trick number 5, the inception technique. This is the most subtle yet powerful trick of them all. It allows you to influence people without them realizing it. How it works: instead of telling people what to do, you ask questions that make them come to the conclusion on their own. When people feel like an idea is their own, they're far more likely to believe in it and act on it. Example: instead of saying, "You should start eating healthy," say, "Do you think eating better can give you more energy?" Now, instead of resisting advice, their own brain starts convincing them. This technique is used by psychologists, coaches, and master communicators to influence without force. Now it's your turn. You now have 5 powerful psychology tricks that can instantly boost your influence and respect. Most people go through life struggling for attention, wondering why others ignore them, without realizing that influence isn't just about what you say. It's about how you say it, when you say it, and most importantly, what you make others feel. But now you're not like most people. The echo effect will make people feel an instant connection with you. The 2-second rule will make your words feel more powerful. The unfinished sentence trap will make you mysterious and intriguing. The one-word power move will keep you in control without conflict. The inception technique will allow you to subtly guide people's decisions, but use them wisely. Use them to gain respect, build strong relationships, and protect yourself from manipulation. Which of these tricks are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more content on attract mind, psychology, and influence, hit subscribe or stay weak forever. The choice is yours.